What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy in Janitor AI using OpenRouter. First, open Janitor AI and sign in to your account. Open the chat, then click the three-line menu and select API settings. Next, choose proxy. Give your configuration a name. Then open OpenRouter in a new tab and sign in. Go to the model section and choose the model you want to use. Copy the exact model ID and return to Janitor AI. Paste the model ID into the model name field. For the proxy URL, enter the OpenRouter chat completions endpoint. Next, go back to OpenRouter and open API keys. Create a new API key, then copy it and return to Janitor AI. Paste the key into the API key field. You can now leave the custom prompt blank for now. Once everything is ready, save your configuration and refresh the Janitor AI page. If the setup is correct, you can start chatting using the model you selected through OpenRouter. And that's it. You've successfully set up a proxy in Janitor AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Peace.